Everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn a really easy way how you can curve text for Canva. So let's start. We have myself here a project. I will have it here, the text. You need to do it step by step, so let's write Canva. So this is C, copy, paste, A, copy, paste, N, V, 8. So this is like Canva. And now what I'm going to do, I will just zoom it in a little bit. What you want to do now is you need to take, paste it like here, and you need to go word by word and now rotate it like here. Now go with the A, N, V, A. So this is just the showcase how we do it. You need to, of course, play much more with it. I wanted to make this video quick, you know. I would just need to go step by step, align it with everything, you know. But yeah, this is how we make curved text. Yep, I know this tutorial looks so bad. I know, guys, I know. But this is the only way how you can do it. And you need to play around it. There is no something like you see also here in templates. You can't use curved text at all. So this is how to do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see you in the next video.